This video is all about subscription model being offered by Shrestha for CA Inter November 2023 exam. If you invest 3 months of your time on a proper from the scratch learning with this Shrestha, believe me, your success rate in the upcoming exam is going to be very high. Most of the students, once they fail in exam, what they do, many of them, they wait until the result, which is one mistake. And after the result, once they see that they failed, what they do is they open the same books which they studied, what they have studied, and to that they just modify their learning. They don't relearn. Biggest mistake that we do in learning is repairing work. You should not repair. You should restart from the scratch. And believe me, if you start once again from the scratch, you learn completely freshly with a fresh mindset, with a fresh approach completely. And if you do that with an institute like us, Shrestha, your success rate will be very, very high. Just check with your friends and seniors, whoever have taken classes with Shrestha, they will only tell one word. Hey, in Shrestha, the way the faculties teach the concept, the way the faculty takes through the subject is something which is completely different. So for you, in order to make you very, very affordable for the classes, we have brought something called subscription model. So what a subscription model is all about. So in this video, please watch till the end. I am going to talk about what we are going to give, what material that we are going to provide, what are the content that we are going to cover, who is the faculty that is going to teach you, what about the amendments for November 2023, all that comprehensively I am talking in this video. Now, so what is subscription model? Subscription model is nothing but it's a monthly model. Monthly model where if a student buy 2 months, a particular group, you may be buying group 1 subscription or group 2 subscription or both the groups. Particular group, suppose if it is group 1, you buy group 1 2 times, third month will give you free access. Why? Because generally in a monthly model, how students think is, I pay one monthly, one price and I want to finish it up hurriedly. Maximum students will renew second time. 2 times they will buy a single group. They don't buy third time. And within this 2 months, they speed up watching the lectures. They'll be watching at higher speed and effectively losing, they'll not be getting effective content because they want to hurry up, because they also want to save the money, all that. So keeping that in mind, we don't want you to invest third month. We are providing it free of cost, third month, because I want you to learn peacefully over a period of 3 months, a single group coaching. Believe me, single group takes 2.5 to 3 months effective time, 2.5 to 3 months. Assuming in a month, in a single month, you can watch 175 to 200 hours. In a month, you can watch 175 to 200 hours of coaching. You can watch that many videos. Single group, suppose CA Inter Group 1, we are having totally 600 hours of video lectures, approximately 600 hours. Group 2 also we are having approximately 600 hours, some plus or minus 50 to 100, 10 to 20% deviation is possible. Both groups put together approximately 1200 hours. So tell me, 600 hours of videos in a single group, how long you take? Obviously you require 3 months of time. If you just buy monthly, 1 month if you buy a course and just you try to watch entire that within that 1 month entire group 1 recordings or entire group 2 recordings, it is impossible. 600 hours to watch within 1 month is impossible. And we always recommend our students to watch the lectures at standard speed. So what is subscription model? Let me show you our application and website, how you can, what are the resources that you are going to get now. So there is an application in the Play Store. Just a minute. There is an application in the Play Store. You open Android app, Play Store, Shrestha for CA and CMA. Now, sir, I am looking for Windows access. Sir, I am looking for only Android. Sir, I am looking for Apple, iOS access. For all that, I have made an exclusive video. Okay, just watch that video. Like if you just open the YouTube, there is a video called Shrestha. You see, there is a thumbnail video. Courses offered by Shrestha. So there is a video like this. You just open this video and play. You will get all the details about what are the applications that we have. If you want to watch on Windows, what to do, Google Drive, what to do, all that were clearly explained in this. So let me focus on what content we are providing. That is what my primary agenda in this video. Now, if you open this Shrestha app, Just a minute. Suppose like now we are looking for CA Inter subscription. So in CA Inter subscription we have three types of course. You can subscribe for 1 month both the groups. You can subscribe for only 1 month entire group 2 or entire group 1. Let us assume we are going for group 2. Let us assume. You see here group 2. This is user account. So for you also in Android phone or iOS, wherever you go it will be same. In iOS, no, App Store, no, there is an app called Class Plus. Download that. Login, it will ask ORG code. JKSAA. JKSAA. Enter your mobile number and login. If you're Android user, no, Srestha for CACMA. Above me, there is a white color logo. That app is there in Android Play Store. You download that, login, and then watch. Just open the course. So now, you see here, there is a content on the top. You see here on the top, there is something called content. Overview and content. You see the content here. There is a video called About Srestha. Now there is a video, what is subscription model May 23. Now that video I will replace with whatever you are watching. Okay. Now May 23, November 23 lectures. You see here, we are giving you timetable. We are giving you timetable. And you see the accounting videos. How, you know what videos that we are providing, you know, I'll tell you first of all. Let me tell you what videos that we are providing. If you take any subject, no. For every subject, we will have something called fundamentals. Suppose in group 2, for accounts, we have fundamentals chapter. In auditing also, we have fundamentals chapter. EASSM, we are not giving. FM and economics, anyhow, the faculty will teach fundamentals in the introduction itself. So, in accounts and audit, we start teaching with the fundamentals chapter, which is not there in ICA book, which is there only in our Srestha book. Fundamentals. Okay. So, that is something unique, because even if a first timer, a student coming from CA Foundation watching our lecture should understand thoroughly all the concepts. You see P5, advanced accounting. You see May 23, the same lectures are useful for November 23 also, the same lectures, getting it. So that lectures. You see here, what is the approach to the paper 5 by the faculty? So what is his approach? He will give you an introduction. Now you see there is a chapter called fundamentals, where faculty is teaching about fundamentals of accounting. Then schedule 3, faculty is explaining. Then an introduction to advanced accounting, only introduction to advanced accounting. Then you will see then EPS, you know, first the faculty will be covering standard. Each standard we consider it as a separate chapter. By the way, sir, okay, where is the material that we can find? Just open Srestha for CACMA website. Srestha for CACMA.com, there is a website. Inside that website, there is a menu. Inside that menu, there is something called resource. Inside that CA Inter. Okay. Now group 1, group 2. So let me open group 2 notes. So here you see paper 5. So advanced accounting, you just click here, you will download the material. So it's a comprehensive material. Solutions we are giving, running notes we are giving. Not only this, sir, if I want to buy this hard copy, where should I get? Same. You come back to the application, Android or iOS application, you come back to the application. Inside this application, you will find CA books. Books related orders you will find there, you can place the order. Fine, I'll come back to that later. So you see here, all the chapters, all the videos were uploaded. And not only that, P5 is being handled by our faculty, Satyaraju sir. And we will give you revision videos, we will give you RTP videos, we will give you question paper analysis videos, and all the materials that the faculty has used, everything is given here. And next, not only that, again, paper 6, auditing, which is handled by me. So what are the instructions the student has to follow? Main lectures, previous, I mean, this is previous version lecture, ignore, we'll discuss that. I mean, you will get an idea in the auditing subject inside. Revision videos, question paper analysis, and RTP videos were there on the YouTube, which we will again import it here. Same way again, coming to paper 7, EASSM. EASSM, you will see MCQ videos, RTP videos, paper analysis videos, everything you will be getting. See, we offer complete comprehensive coaching. It is not like a crash recording. It is not like revision recording. They are proper detailed recording. Even if you are a repeater, sir, I failed in previous 2 attempts, sir. Now I want to pass somehow. What should I do? Simple. Ignore your learning earlier. Whatever learning you had earlier, ignore that. Start from scratch. Retake coaching. That too, don't spend too much on coaching. See, we are offering single group subscription model monthly 4,300 rupees in app. In website it is 5,000. Why? Because in website you will have Google Drive, Windows access. Little costly for us, that software, all that. So it is 5,000. Whereas in app only, if you want to watch Android or iOS, it is 4,300. 2 times if you buy, what happens? 3rd time it will be free. So 2 times means 4,300, 4,300, roughly 8,500. Third time it is free. So by paying 8,500 rupees, entire group 2 or entire group 1, you are able to watch for 3 months, where you can successfully complete entire 600 hours of coaching right from scratch. Right from scratch you learn. Suppose no, you know very well accounts, but you want to watch some chapters only. We recommend don't do like that. Right from fundamentals once again watch. You see, you will find remarkable clarity in your learning. Please follow the approach whatever we are saying. You will find remarkable clarity. The subscription model we introduced not for selling month-wise. The objective is to make it affordable to the student. Suppose if a student buy 1 month, he watched. Somehow very extremely rare scenario, student is not comfortable with the classes, he will not continue. But do you know, 95% of the students who ever enrolled in 2022 have renewed second time, renewed third time. That is the reason is simple. Our classes are astonishing, very detailed, very conceptual. Entire problems will be explained in the classroom. Faculty will solve entire solution in the class and explain. All ICA sums are covered in our materials. And we are also giving question banks. By June end or July, we will be giving question banks. By the way, I am doing this video on May 17th, 2023. By June end, all CA Inter 8 subjects question banks covering 6 attempts RTPs and 6 attempts suggested answers we will be providing. Shrestha, if you believe in Shrestha, it will become a one-stop destination for CA Inter for your success. So this is about group 2 example. Okay. Now by the way, in group 2 now, very recently, we have changed faculty for FM and economics. Earlier, we have a faculty called Funny Sir who has handled for May attempt related. Now, for November 23 and May 24, we have added complete Ganesh Bharadwaj sir classes. Approximately 80 hours of video lectures were completely added. Getting it? His material can be downloaded on the website, all that. And his material can be placed, hard copy order can be placed in the app itself. So, I'll come back to that and show you just a minute. You just come to home. You just come to store, you see here store, inside that CA books if you put, you can place each subject order. Now you might have a doubt, sir, group wise I want to place books order, can I? Yes, you can. After 10 to 15 days, by June 1st week, you can place group wise books orders also, okay, because we are updating all the books. Right now, we have changed faculties for paper 3 CA Inter costing, paper 4 and paper 8. All these 3 subjects faculties have been changed. Paper 3, right now, Ganesh Bharadwaj sir is going to start the classes newly from June 2nd week. And paper 4, part B, it is being handled by Mahmood sir. Paper B is handled by Mahbub sir. And paper A, myself, I am handling. I am handling paper 4, part A, income tax, myself. Paper 8, FM is being again taken by Ganesh Bharadwaj sir. Paper 8B, economics new lectures are going to come by DV Subramaniam sir, which will be uploaded by June 1st week. June 1st or 2nd week, we will be completing all the economics upload. Now, accounts paper 1 is being handled by Satyaraju sir. Paper 2 law is handled by Subramaniam sir. Paper 3 is by Ganesh Bharadwaj sir. Paper 4 is by myself and Muhammad sir. Paper 5 advanced accounting is again by Satyaraju sir. Paper 6 myself audit. Paper 7 Harish Krishnan sir will handle. Paper 8A FM Ganesh Bharadwaj sir will handle. You will find all the demo videos. You will find all the demo videos here itself. You can see here. You just go to the playlist. You see here. There is a demo. November 2023 inter demo. All the demo videos were given here. In this, costing demo is right now not available. Income tax demo not available. Economics demo is not available. These 3 will come by May end in the same playlist. Next. Now, see, once you enroll in Shrestha, once you enroll in subscription model with the Shrestha, what happens is, we will provide you with the timetable. Just I will show you. Just a minute. Let me show you the timetable. Suppose if you open group 1 example, okay, content if you go with. Now here, if I open the lectures, now on the top you will find something called timetable. Since the screen is being shared, it will not be open. So we will give you a timetable on on which day. Day 1, which subject, which chapters you need to watch. Day 2, which subjects, which chapters, which lectures you need to watch. We will be clearly giving it to you. Timetable. You just follow the timetable. The timetable will be given for 93 days. 93 means what? 31 days, 31 days, 31 days, 3 months. So 3 months timetable we will be giving it to you. So if you just follow our timetable, follow our material, follow our classes, believe me, whatever the clarity that you are lacking, whatever the command that you are lacking earlier, everything you will get. You will get absolute command on the subject, absolute clarity on the subject. You know, whoever have completely believed us, trusted us, and followed this 3 months process, 99% they have increased their success rate like anything. See, I already told we provide videos which are not crash or revision or no. They're proper regular courses. Even if you're a first timer coming from CA Foundation or direct entry, happily you can watch. By paying a very nominal fee, you can complete CA Inter coaching. Single group, 3 months, 8,500. That too you need not pay at a time. 1 month 4,300, another time 4,300, third time we are giving it you for free. That's it. And you know, most important instruction, you have to watch all the lectures given at standard speed. See, the reason why you are listening to the lectures, what is the reason behind listening to the lectures? To understand, to get connection with the subject. It is not to finish watching. You are buying video lectures not to finish them, but to learn out of them. So when you are learning, listen at standard speed. Very simple. Just listen to any song at a higher playback speed. You will not get anything. You will never connect to a song. When you listen to a music at standard speed only, you will have connection. Remember. So that's about subscription model. That's about the subjects. That's about the faculty. That's about the material. I hope you have got clarity. If you want to enroll on Windows, then buy the class on the website. Okay, so where you will have Google Drive, installation process, everything you will get. So into this video, I will attach installation procedure, purchase process on Windows. If you want to buy the classes on Android, just in rest of our CACM app or iOS app, you just directly buy and start watching. Why late? Enroll with us and increase your success rate. Believe me, once again, start from scratch. Don't repair, replace your learning. Don't repair your learning, replace your learning. If you start from scratch once again, you will learn the subject in a very, very, very constructive manner. That's it. Okay. All the very best. Have a nice time.